In a world where the moon's glow painted pathways across the waters of dreams and the stars cast their shimmering light on the shores of slumber, there existed a realm known as Dreamhaven. It was a place where imagination and reality converged, where the tides of sleep ebbed and flowed, and where the boundaries between wakefulness and dreams were as delicate as the petals of moonlit flowers. At the heart of Dreamhaven lay a tranquil harbor, bathed in the soft radiance of the moon and adorned with lanterns that swayed like fireflies in the night breeze. This was the Harbor of Dreams, a place where dreamers of all ages would gather beneath the twinkling constellations to share stories and experiences, while listening to the enchanting tale of the Enchanted Bedtime boat. The Enchanted Bedtime boat's tale was a cherished tradition in Dreamhaven, a story that spoke of a mystical journey undertaken by dreamers as they set sail on the waters of slumber. It was said that the boat was a vessel of dreams, guided by the moon and stars, and that it carried dreamers to the shores of tranquility and wonder. Each evening, as the moon ascended the sky, the Enchanted Bedtime boat's tale would unfold, inviting dreamers to become part of its soothing narrative. In this realm, there lived a young dreamer named Lily. Her heart was as curious as the constellations, and every evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, she would find herself drawn to the Harbor of Dreams. There, beneath the shimmering stars and the gentle touch of the night, she would listen to the mesmerizing tale that filled her mind with serenity. One moonlit night, as Lily settled onto the edge of the harbor, a soft shimmer enveloped the surroundings. It was as if the very essence of dreams had woven itself into the night. Lily's gaze was drawn to a delicate seashell that seemed to glow with an inner light. As she picked up the seashell, a sensation of tranquility washed over her, like a gentle tide of dreams. The seashell seemed to hum with an enchanting melody, and Lily closed her eyes, allowing its soothing notes to carry her away. In her mind's eye, she found herself standing on the shore of a tranquil bay, where the moon's reflection danced upon the water's surface and the stars seemed to twinkle just for her. The moon's embrace turned the bay into a haven of dreams. As Lily walked along the shoreline, her senses were filled with the magic of the harbor. She noticed that the lanterns swayed in harmony with the night breeze, casting playful shadows that seemed to dance on the sand. The stars above arranged themselves in patterns that resembled constellations, as if the very cosmos were telling tales of ages past. Lily stepped onto a weathered pier that extended into the bay, its timbers worn smooth by the ebb and flow of dreams. At the end of the pier awaited a small, ornate boat, its sails shimmering like moonlit silk. This was the Enchanted Bedtime boat, the vessel that carried dreamers on their nocturnal voyage. With a mixture of excitement and reverence, Lily stepped aboard the boat. As she settled into its cozy seat, the boat seemed to come to life, its sails unfurling and its prow pointed toward the open waters. The moon and stars above cast their gentle light on the bay, guiding the boat's course as it sailed on the currents of dreams. As the boat glided across the water, Lily felt a sense of serenity unlike any she had ever known. The cosmic melodies of the night filled her ears, and she watched in awe as constellations shifted and rearranged themselves, forming scenes of beauty and wonder. She saw galaxies spin and stars twinkle in patterns that told stories only the night could reveal. Amid the tranquil voyage, a soft voice emerged, a voice that seemed to resonate from the heart of the boat itself. It was the voice of dreams, a guide through the Enchanted Bedtime boat's tale. The voice spoke of the connection between dreams and the cosmos, how the boat was a vessel of imagination that carried dreamers to realms beyond the horizon. Lily listened as the voice of dreams shared tales of dreamers who had sailed aboard the boat, of the wonders they had witnessed, and of the bond between dreamers and the moonlit waters. She felt a sense of unity with the universe, as if her own dreams were being woven into the fabric of the night. As dawn's light began to touch the horizon, the boat's journey gradually came to a gentle conclusion, bringing Lily back to the harbor where she had first embarked. Although the voyage had ended, the memories of her boat adventure remained vivid within her heart. From that night on, Lily continued to visit the Harbor of Dreams, sharing her own dreams with fellow dreamers and marveling at the enchanting tale that unfolded beneath the stars' embrace. She understood that the harbor was not just a collection of water and lanterns, but a realm of dreams waiting to be explored, a realm where magic was as real as the moonlit waters and where the constellations of stories awaited those who dared to set sail. And so, in a world where the moon's glow painted pathways across the waters of dreams and the stars cast their shimmering light on the shores of slumber, Dreamhaven flourished as a sanctuary of imagination and wonder. The Harbor of Dreams continued to be a gathering place for dreamers young and old, a place where the Enchanted Bedtime boat's tale was shared, reminding dreamers that the boundaries between wakefulness and dreams were as delicate as the petals of moonlit flowers. As the nights unfolded, Lily's dreams were infused with the magic of the Enchanted Bedtime boat. She sailed on moonlit waters, explored distant constellations, and conversed with ethereal beings of the night sky. And as the night's enchantment intertwined with her dreams, Lily found herself entering a realm of restful slumber, where the moon's glow-painted pathways and the voice of dreams became a lullaby that carried her into the heart of tranquil sleep.